Have you ever seen ladies whose lashes look amazing, right? And then you wonder, why don't my lashes look like that when I put them on? Maybe you've been to the store, Target or CVS, and you look at all of the strip lashes, but you can't decide what to choose because the variety is too much and they all look the same. Sometimes the key to transforming your look and enhancing your features is not anything with you, but it's literally just finding the right information. And today, that key is your eye shape. In today's video, I am going to explain to you the different eye shapes and the lashes that complement each eye shape so that you can find the perfect lashes that perfectly complement your eyes. Welcome back to Reverend Beauty Channel, where we discuss all things makeup and lashes for small eyes. My name is Misha. Let's get right into it. So number one, if you do not know your eye shape, I have a video that gives you a step-by-step tutorial on how to find your eye shape. And that video is going to be linked down in the description. So if you already know your eye shape, let's get into the different characteristics of each eye shape and their lashes. So we're going to start with almond eyes. And almond eyes are going to look like exactly the way they sound. They are shaped like an almond. They may look a bit elongated. They may have a slight slant to them. And the key features of almond eyes include, number one, almond eye going to have a very visible crease. The outer corners of the eye are going to slant slightly higher than the inner corners of the eye. The iris, which is the black or the colored part of your eye, is going to touch the upper lid and the lower lid when you're looking straight ahead. There's not going to be any visible white at the top of the eye and at the bottom of the eye. So this eye shape is considered the most universal of the eye shapes. They're going to complement a variety of makeup looks and a variety of lash styles. But to complement this eye shape the best, you're going to look for lashes with a wing. These kind of lashes are best going to enhance and complement this eye shape. And the examples that I show these lashes will be linked in the description below. Now, the next eye shape that we're going to discuss are hooded eyes. Hooded eyes are a very unique eye shape. This eye shape is most known for having skin that hangs down and covers the eyelid. Typically with hooded eyes, the crease is hidden. There is little to no visible eyelid space when the eyes are open. The upper eyelid may seem to merge with or be completely hidden by the brow bone area. Sometimes women with hooded eyes may have a very prominent brow bone. Often the eyelid skin, it touches the lash line, and this can make applying makeup kind of difficult. So when you are choosing lashes for hooded eyes, you want to look for lashes that are going to add lift to the eye. And this will give an illusion to make the eyes look more open. So you want to look for lashes that are longer in the center. And when you apply eyeliner, you want to apply it more thinly to not close the eyes even more. Choosing lashes that are longer in the center are going to open the eyes. And choosing lashes that are longer in the center and tapers on the ends is going to add depth to the eyes, and it's going to enhance this natural eye shape. The next eye shape that we are going to discuss is the monolid eye shape. So this is a very unique kind of eye shape. You're typically not going to be able to see a crease. It's going to look like a smooth single eyelid. And the upper lid is going to look to blend seamlessly with the brow area. You want to be careful not to choose lashes that are too heavy or too dense for this eye shape. But instead, you want to be strategic with the lashes that you choose because you want to create an illusion of depth and dimension. So you want to look for lashes that are light in appearance and have a crisscross design. This crisscross design will add emphasis to the lash line. So the next eye shape that we are going to discuss are round eyes. Now, this eye shape is characterized by very distinctive features. They are commonly known for their circular appearance and their openness. Some of the key features of round eyes include a visible crease in the eyelid and eyes that appear large and wide open. And the white of the eye is visible, either above or below the eye when looking straight ahead. So with round eyes, you want to choose lashes that are winged and longer on the outer corners. This is going to give the eyes a more almond-like effect. And this will enhance the natural eye shape and it won't overpower it. So you want to look for wispy winged lashes, and you want to be careful of not choosing lashes that are too dense. Next, we have upturned eyes. This is probably the most coveted eye shape due to its cat-like and alluring appearance. Upturned eyes are gonna look similar to almond eyes in the sense that it's gonna have a visible crease and there is going to be a visible slant to the eyes. With upturned eyes, the outer corners are going to slant up, or you're going to notice that the eyes are going to slant up more. The eyes will often appear elongated. This eye shape is going to have a natural lifted appearance that most people try to achieve with makeup. When choosing lashes for upturned eyes, you're gonna go for a longer, more voluminous appearance. And you're going to look for lashes that are longer on the outer corner because this is going to further accentuate that cat eye effect. The last eye shape that we are going to discuss are downturned eyes. This unique eye shape is characterized by the downward tilt of the outer corners of the eye. The key features of this beautiful eye shape are a visible crease, outer corners that are positioned lower than the inner corners. This eye shape is going to have a slight downward tilt in appearance. This eye shape may look slightly elongated vertically. When finding lashes for downturned eyes, you want to look for lashes that are longer in the center that have a slight upward curve. This is going to help create a more lifted look and counteract the downward tilt, which lashes that are more longer on the ends will create. So avoid lashes that are longer on the ends if you have downturned eyes, because it's going to make your eyes look even lower than they already are. So you want to look for lashes that are longer in the center that have a crisscross effect. This is going to further enhance this eye shape. I have a business called Revel Lashes. We have a line of lashes specifically for small eyes. If you have small eyes, you want lashes picked out specifically for you, go on our website and take our eye shape quiz. The link is in the bio and we will pick out lashes specifically for your shaped eyes. Well, that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you have not already, please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.